Hello, I'm Angeline Ong and welcome to your look ahead to Wednesday, the 13th of December. We start with Japan, where the focus will be on the manufacturers there with the Tankan index out. Expectations for Q4 reading of 10 after reading of 9 in the previous quarter. Now, if we do get that figure of 10, it'd be the highest reading since Q1 of 2022. From the UK, look out for monthly GDP figures and trade and industrial production numbers. It'll be key to see how the economy is doing, especially on the industrial front. But if you looked at the UK headlines, you'd be hard-pressed to see anything other than Rwanda at the moment. In the US, the big set piece, of course, is that Fed interest rate decision, and we've also got producer price index numbers and the API crude oil inventories. Now, money markets, just looking at the dollar, which has just reacted. If you can see here, I'm showing you a minute chart, it's just reacted to that CPI figure, which came in bang in line with expectations. This minute chart now showing the US dollar basket coming back down now, but we did see a spike following that CPI number, which came in line with expectations, while money markets have currently fully priced in a rate hike pause at the end of the Fed meeting, with traders seeing a 47.5% chance of a cut as soon as March and a 79% chance of a cut in May. This is according to the CME Group's Fed Watch tool. So the rate cut expectations are being pushed out slightly from March to May. Stock futures, just wanting to show you that as well after that CPI number. Here's a look at Wall Street for you. It is also on the minute chart, moving at the moment, ticking actually slightly lower, but we have always been looking at a cautious open there, especially ahead of that Fed meeting on Wednesday. In terms of corporate earnings, we've got Adobe out with fourth quarter earnings. So showing you the chart here. Adobe, of course, you can trade that on the IG platform only in the cash session when that starts going. The company expected to report a 10.8% rise in revenues to just over $5 billion from $4.5 billion a year ago. And that's it for now. For more market moving news, we'll be back on Beat the Street at 13:30 London time to give you a heads up to the US trading day. And IG's Jeremy Naylor will be on at 7:30 on early morning call ahead of the European market open. Follow me on Twitter at Angeline Ong. This is IGTV.